Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. I have something special to show you, which is really cool. Useful tool to have instead of going to the ear doctor all the time. We're going to watch a video and then show you the magic that's behind these guys. So, really cool device. Here comes the video. It's like the school days. Here we go, and let me press play, grab some popcorn, and there it goes. So that was BeBird by, who is the one behind this amazing device? AnySafe, coming from, it's called the BeBird A2 Otoscope, I do believe. Yeah, it's Otoscope. So this thing is so sweet. I did a few minutes messing around with it. You got the QR scanner. You got to use your Android or your iOS app, and that's easy to set up. Wi-Fi, make sure you have all that good stuff. iPhone, iPad, laptop, computers, and all that. They got a lot of cool stuff. So there's a box. BeBird. We got some goodies inside. So this came out with a lot of stuff. So here we go. Here's the main guy. BeBird case. Really nice case. Travel size, take this anywhere to go. Oops, got this piece right here. So there's two parts to it. This is, I believe, like a scooper. I took a few out, but and then you got massager. They got a list in the manual that came with it right here. Those are deep air digging spoon, Q elastic air spoon, which is like these guys right in here, and this one right there is gonna be enjoyable cotton swab. Oh, that's nifty. So I'll show you how to put these on, and let's see what else I could show you guys. So here's a QR code. All you gotta do is scan it, and it'll open up to the app. Download it. Easy to hook up, and then it'll show you how to replace them. Gotta be careful with them too. And then open the cover, shut the lid. That's pretty simple. And I already showed you the accessories, and then we take this one out. This is the main guy right here. So we got other stuff down here. Go. What was that? The box. There we go. Now we got some more goodies. So always check the bottom. We got some brushes. And right here, I think these are the, what are these called? Number 5 is going to be the crane hair stick. 6 is the crane hair stick. 7 is the silver needle. And then these guys also came with them. Whoops. These are alcohol swabs. See? Q-tip. Pretty cool. That's what came inside. It's got to do, ooh, this weight kind of rough. Sometimes, there we go. Just got to tear it here and twist and pull out, and then that's what's inside. There are these guys. Whoops. Well, Q-tips right there. Boom, boom. And now the main course. Oh, we got the USB right here. And I think that's it to show you guys on this. I can put some stuff away now. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Pretty cool. BeBird. And then now we already seen these are the things to scoop. I don't need to scoop nothing out, but that's always a good thing to have. And then we got the brushes right here. And then this magic pen. Here's that. There's a logo. And the material for the air pick is a PV plus Sicilia to softly protect your air canal, 5 lighting lamps, and 1 LV lamp around the camera. No need to buy refills forever, because we have many air pick accessories to assist you. Oh, this is for 1 years up. Starting at 1 year old, you could use this for. Should turn on in a second. Boom! Look at that. Got the glow. Got the. So there's that. Here is a USB right there. Charge it, and it's gonna start flashing. Put you guys right here. See? Pretty cool, huh? You haven't seen nothing yet though. This camera is pretty nifty. If I could remember where it's at. Oh. There it is. BeBird. We got it right there. And like I said, once you connect to the Wi-Fi, it'll just pop up. So I gotta do that. And it should be BeBird coming up down. There it is. Should be any second. There we go. Look at that. Oh, those are the brushes. But now, I don't think my ear is graphic, so. Oh, we got up top. Oh, come on, where'd it go? You can change the lens. You can take pictures of it. Right ear. Okay, so right ear video. That's what we're going to be doing. You can record. Here's my ear, guys. First time seeing it on YouTube. Oh, man. There we go. Not sure why is it so bright this time. Here's my ear. Go left ear. Uh-oh. Oh, but here we go. Alright. Lost connection. Hold on one sec. We'll get it. Oh, I think I missed it. Hold on one sec. Here we go. We're back. Sorry about that, guys. Internet issues on my end. But that's crazy. I could show. Maybe because it's recording. Hold on. Let me switch. Alright, we're back. You can reach pretty far. A little waxy. Just gotta scoop it out. You can sideways. But you can go places where you didn't think you'd go before. It's like, wow. So if your kid has a ear infection, you can see what's going on in there. Yeah. That's crazy. Gotta love technology these days, you know? Never know what they're gonna come out with next. But I do believe this is on Indiegogo, whatever that site is. I'll leave the links down below for you guys though. Definitely check them out though. This is pretty sweet though. Yeah, boom. So really cool idea though. Check them out, YouTubers. Any safe BeBird A2 Otoscope. Awesome technology. Alright, have a good night. See ya.